everyone, I'm making myself a double threaded pearl bracelet today. I am measuring twice the length of elastic, so about 24 inches, which does sound a lot, but it does need to be double threaded and have some to play with. And I'm using a beading needle. These open in the middle that you thread through. I'm using 0.8mm elastic. And I've chosen 8mm pearl beads today. I wanted to make myself a pearl bracelet. These pearls were from Amazon and I showed them in an unboxing video the other day. I did buy these beads from Amazon the other day. Pretty pink acrylic beads. I have nieces wanting Barbie bracelets due to the film. I normally make them 7 inches in length, but I have larger wrists. I tend to do it about 7.5 for myself inches. Okay, we are now going to take our thread in an anti-clockwise and thread through all the beads until we're back at the beginning. Make sure you pull the tail as you go around. I did want to make a lobster clasp bracelet. I'll show you how it's done, but I've actually ran out of print covers, so I've got some on order, and as soon as they come, I'll show you a different way of closing your bracelet. This just makes it doubly secure, and I prefer this for myself. Again, pulling the tail. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I have lots of videos available and lots more planned. Or if you'd like me to show you something, just leave a comment in the description and I'll try my best. I've got through lots of beads in that one. Okay, so we remove the needle. Pull. You can see that two, and that's got 2 layers. And then to be normal knot. And then what I do is I go underneath, so I'm actually going to collect both strands. There's just one at the moment. And I do a knot, but I take it through again. Put the clip up here to show you. And then pull. And then I do 2 more times, just to be sure. Then pull. And that's it. I'll take my cutters. Well, if you wanted to, you could put the dab clear nail varnish or glue, but I never do. And there you have it. Fits nicely. Two layers of thread. Nice and secure. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.